So this is what it looks like to have a broken LCD screen. I'm going to show you how to change it out on a Toshiba Portege Z835. First, you must power down your computer. Now that the computer is off, all you have to do is pop off the screen. And it comes off pretty easily. You just have to be careful about breaking it. Alright, so now we have the screen off. Or the bezel off, and now we just have the screen. There are screws on the bottom, but you don't have to worry about. All you have to do is pop off from the sticky tape that is behind it. And there you have it. You remove the tape off of that, you unhook the cable. Just like that. And your screen is free. And now to replace the new screen. I'm going to want to reattach the wire cable. Put that back in place. And I'll put in this back in place. And there you have it. Let's see what happens.